Ozempic is a prescription medication, originally used to treat type 2 diabetes, but it has also been shown to help with weight loss. It works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1, which naturally occurs in the body and helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. Appetite suppression. Ozempic acts on the brain's appetite control centers, helping to reduce hunger and cravings, leading to reduced calorie intake. Slows gastric emptying. It slows down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and preventing overeating. Improves insulin sensitivity. By improving insulin sensitivity, Ozempic helps the body better regulate blood sugar, which can also prevent hunger spikes caused by blood sugar fluctuations. Increase satiety. People taking Ozempic often report feeling more satisfied after eating smaller portions, which contributes to weight loss. In clinical studies, people taking Ozempic have experienced significant weight loss, with many losing 5 to 10% of their body weight. It's typically combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise for best results.